Hello, so in this lesson, you will be working with line plots, and in order to do this, you will be measuring things around the classroom with a partner that will be trying to So first, before you can do this, you have to learn a little bit about line plots. So please watch the video in the module that explains line plots to get a better idea of what they are and what they can be used for. After that, I want you to move on to the next module, which is an activity on IXL, IXL. I know we've used this site quite often to practice different content. So I want you to go to that, and I want you to fill out the questions for about 10 minutes. So I will move to the screen here. So this just helps us practice reading line plots. So here's a line plot about ice skating last winter. So the owner of an ice skating rink counted the number of times that people went skating at his rink. So how many people went ice skating exactly 4 times last winter? So I find 4 because this is the number of times, and I count 1, 2, 3. So in here, I'll type 3 people and submit, and it will tell me if I'm correct or not. So I want you to do that for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, I want you to go ahead and get with your partner and go around the room and get the rulers and measure to the nearest 1/4 of an inch. So I know you guys all know how to do that because we practiced that last week. So here is an example that I have, and I want you to make sure to view this on Canvas before starting going and measuring, because you will need a piece of paper to record your measurements. So you'll find 10 objects and record their measurements on paper after measuring them. So here's my 10 things. So one was 1.75 inches, 1.75, 2.5, 3.0. So these are, again, to the 4th inches. Remember how we can put those into decimals. Once you have this data with your partner, you will go create a line plot with Google Drawings or the other site that I have on there that you can explore and choose which one's best for you. But I know that we've been using Google Drawings a lot, so I chose to show you this example. So you'll need a heading up here, a title. So I have measurements of objects to the nearest 1/4 inch. And then down here I have length in inches. So that's what these numbers are here. And then for each item that I had with that measurement, I just went ahead and put a circle. So yours may look completely different than this. You may have all your 10 objects or things that you measured might have different lengths, but you can see that some of mine had the same. So have fun doing this, and if you have any questions, just like usual, make sure to ask your classmates or me.